Welcome to Eating with Health. Looking for a healthy, protein-packed prepare ahead of time? Here's everything you'll need. Fresh zucchini, cherry tomatoes, eggs, cottage cheese, feta cheese, garlic. Slice the zucchini into bite-sized pieces and halve the cherry tomatoes. Toss them with olive oil, minced garlic, oregano, salt. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs and cottage cheese until smooth and creamy. Stir in chopped fresh dill, then season with a little more salt and pepper. Grease a baking dish and spread the roasted vegetables evenly across the bottom. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables, making sure everything is even.
Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 35 minutes.
Allow the casserole to cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it warm with fresh herbs, whole grain toast, or
This casserole is perfect for meal prep. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eating with Health, and turn on the notification bell.